Okay, we'll have a group photo later on, pero simulan na natin. Let's get the ball rolling. Ivana, Joshua, ngayong napanood nyo na, anong reaction nyo?
Ako masaya ako. Masaya ako for everyone kasi
Uy, nakakadalaw ka na.
hindi ko alam kasi speechless kasi ako, hindi ko alam ang sabihin ko. Aha! Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Pero kung ano yung napanood nyo, ano pa lang yan, naka-fast cut yon. So, kapag napanood natin yun sa Prime, mas kumpleto, mas ramdam natin yung bawat eksena.
Okay.
Hindi kung mapapansin nyo, medyo mabilis lahat yung putol.
Pero we like it. I like the pacing. Perfect na
Ay, talaga?
perfect. Yes.
Thank you.
Oo. Walang hingahan.
Oo nga eh.
Yun ang gusto
ganun na
natin. Yun ang mapapanood nyo sa Prime, di ba?
Nagsimula kami ni Ivana nakaupo, yung ending nakaganon na kami sa
I'm sure, Ivana, what do you wanna say?
Maganda. Sobrang ganda. Actually, kanina habang pinapanood ko, sabi ko, grabe, parang pelikula. First episode pa lang ng Love is Never Gone, ang dating niya ay talagang parang movie, parang kang nanood, ganun siya kapuno. It's full of action. Ang daming mapapanood. Para siyang, di ba? Puno na.
Yeah.
At simula pa lang yun. That's just, we're just getting started, di ba?
Yeah.
I'm sure
Ang ganda nung umpisa namin, yung opening scene
Yes,
namin.
nagulat ako.
Oo.
Tapos para kaming, hindi
Pasabog
kami
yun.
makahinga. Tapos yung ihi ko, pinigilan ko from start to end. Kasi hindi ayoko umalis.
Ivana,
Kasi-
nung patapos na yung pinanood namin, hindi rin kami nakahinga, ha?
Ayun na nga.
Same!
Same!
Grabe!
Okay.
Nakita nyo yung bibig niya, di ba?
Ha?
Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Ano ba yung bibig niya? Hindi mo na ma-elaborate.
Yes. Makikita nyo na lang sa Love is Never Gone.
Yun na. Kaya download the app now. If you still don't have the Prime Video app, go ahead. Because like I said kanina, Love is Never Gone will be shown exclusively at the Prime Video app. Okay. First question kay Direk Jojo and kay Ai Tamayo, our creative manager. At siguro kay Direk Manny Palo na rin. Being set in a different country, how did you and the team approach the writing and direction of the series? Is there going to be something that the audience will experience for the first time? So let's kind of divide the question, no? Siguro kay Direk Jojo and Direk Manny, paano yung naging approach nyo in the direction of the series?
Dati ang may mga serye tayo sa ABS na napapanood sa Africa, dubbed in their local dialect, no? Pero ito ngayon, film siya actually in Africa, or more specifically in Morocco. And then, nung ginagawa yung kwento, ang ano sa amin it has to be full of action also. So, syempre when I direct any project, any series, I consider first and foremost the narrative. Second, all the other elements like location and all the elements within that location, kung paano ko gagamitin yan, and the actors, of course, no. Tapos, inano namin, sana may maipakita tayong bago. Like napansin naman siguro, the camera movement is not static. Mas filmic ang approach. Because it's gonna be shown on Prime Video. Diba? Streaming na siya. And we always firmly believe that our audience deserve nothing less.
Agree. Direct Jojo, baka you can answer that. Is there going to be something that the audience will experience for the first time? Story-wise siguro, no?
For the first time, marami. Actually, it's a combination of yung something old and new, and it's a classic. Kasi syempre kahit na shoot ito sa Morocco, sa bansang hindi pa natin napuntahan, parang it's very important na yung main character na nandun, na Pinoy, ay pinanood natin, nararamdaman pa rin natin yung pagka-Pinoy niya.
Right.
So, OFWs, di ba? Marami. So, parang we resonate with Teo's character, di ba? We understand Liana's character at yung mga Pinoy na nandoon. Ay,
Ano ba nauna? Cast o kwento?
kwento.
Kwento. Direct Manny, you mentioned that kanina, di ba?
Yeah.
You offered it to Joshua and Ivana. Immediately they said yes. Easy yes, Joshua? Easy yes?
Yes, so naman direct man yan. Pagka nag-no ako, baka sapak yun. Joke lang, joke lang.
Lahat ng ginawa ko sa lahat ng ginawa ni Joshua sa Dreamscape, ako yung director niya. Siya pwede tumanggi.
Oo, yeah.
That's why, Ivana, it was an easy yes for you, for sure.
Nung
Oo.
sinabi pa lang Joshua, yes. Hindi. Nung sinabi yung kwento na it's action, love, sabi ko, yes. Tapos isushoot daw sa abroad. Ay, bongga. First time ko kasi yun eh. Tapos sinabi direct Manny, ay, natakot ako.
Tsaka ang ganda ng character mo.
Oo,
Gusto mo
sobra.
yun yung parang-
Sarap. Kasi parang,
Ang dami mong karakter.
diba, ginagawa ko lang siya dati sa vlog.
Disguise.
Tapos ngayon, nakita ko na siya. Mahirap pala pag itong series.
Oo, galing. Okay, next question ni Patrick is for Ivana. What was your inspiration coming onto this set in terms of your approach in acting? So, siguro, Patrick is curious kung meron ka bang parang pinag-aralan?
Ako ba yan? Sa
No,
akin ba
si
yan?
Ivana.
Okay. Kung meron ka daw pinag-aralan, like ano ba yung naging preparation mo? Tama ba?
Ay!
Are you
May-
interpreting what I
Yes,
said?
yes.
Okay,
Ganun.
kailangan pala ng
Hindi talaga,
interpreter.
ganyan
Okay.
siya ka-Jenny Rose.
Okay.
Ganyan. Hindi, first scene ko kasi French. Hindi ako marunong mag-French, hindi nga ako marunong mag-Arabic kasi nag-aral kami sa British school. French, tapos si Direk Manny, syempre natatakot ako kay Direk. Inaaral ko sa hotel, mga 3 araw. Je m'appelle,
Oh, je m'appelle,
Simple.
Ivana.
Ay,
Parang ganyan.
So, inaral ko talaga kasi ayoko talagang mapagalitan on my first day.
Tama.
Yes.
You have to deliver, di ba?
It's very hard kasi iba-ibang character ang kailangan ko ipakita.
So, multilingual ka dito.
Oo.
Nag-French ka.
Arabic, Spanish, English, everything.
Wow! Iba din naman.
Japanese.
May Japanese din?
Yes.
Lahat talaga. Multilingual. Thank you, Ivana. The next set of questions galing naman kay Joshua and Jane coming from your PBB days. Actually, nagsusurface yung clips na nakikita ko online, ha? Where many rooted for you, for your pairing. How was it collaborating again? And what personal or professional growth have you noticed in one another?
Naks. Hindi, ano ba? This isn't the first time naman nagka-work kami after PBB, pero it's been a while. First time in a long time.
Ito yung first na mahaba natin.
Yes,
together, right?
yes. Kasi dun sa nakaraan yung sa movie, medyo bitin ako eh. Nabitin ako. Nakadalawang araw lang ako doon.
Hindi, meron na tayong una.
Ano
Na
yun?
saan ka na kailangan kita.
O sige na nga. After
After
that.
ng mahabang panahon, nagkaroon
Yes.
tayo ng sariling buhay. Ito ulit yung parang...
So maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak.
Uy, wala kayo sa PBB house, ha? Pero sarap na kwentuhan niya. Nakikinig lang kami. Go ahead.
But me, masaya ako na si Jane ay kasama ko dito. Alam mo yun, kasi nakakatuwa din na ma-reunite ka dun sa mga dating ka-housemate mo, di ba, sa
Tama.
BBB. And then, sobrang comfortable na sa isa't isa. I don't know why. Bakit ka ba?
Kasi, marami nang pinagdaanan. Parang si Lara Jean at si
Saya.
Teo. Marami na silang
So,
pinagdaanan.
parang masasabi ko, perfect din yung character natin.
Oo.
No? Yeah.
From that PBB tandem to another PBB tandem. Let's go to JM.
Naman!
Yes!
JM
Woo!
and Fiang.
Atake!
Atake. Ang question ni Chedi is,
Ang galing mo dun.
how does it feel to step into a major series and share the screen with highly acclaimed performers? And can you talk about what you've learned from working with these actors?
And hindi ako kasi kami honestly ni Fiang, una pa lang ang nasa mata na namin is yung mga knowledge na ma-adapt namin working with these veteran actors, kahit sila Direk Manny, sila Direk Jojo. Doon kami nakafocus eh. Siyempre, mas nangingibabaw yung pressure, yung kaba, kasi first time namin ganitong klase ng series, ng project. And siguro, hindi na lang kami nagpapatalo sa pressure, sa kaba na na-feel namin. Siguro, mas nakafocus kami sa maa-adapt namin sa project na to, sa matututunan
Matututunan
namin
nyo,
after
tama.
ng gawin tong project na to.
Agree.
At ikaw, anong masasabi mo?
Ganda! Ganda, no? Ako... of course, ito yung first series with JM then, and
kasama yung mga veteran actors, actresses. Grabe. Tsaka nung time na nag-storycon pa lang kami, grabe na yung kaba namin dalawa. Kasi nga hanggang ngayon na patapos na yung series na to, sobrang grabe pa din yung kaba namin. Kasi, syempre kailangan namin aralin kung ano yung roles namin.
Tama?
And then, of course, yung mga co-actors naman namin, sobrang generous nila. And pagka kunwari nahihirapan ka din talaga sa eksena mo, pagka nadidrain ka na, very generous lahat ng mga kasama namin dito.
Oo, parang sponge ka lang dyan. Absorb ka lang ng absorb.
Yes!
Because Fian JM, you're working with Dina Bonnevie,
Yes!
Michael De Mesa,
Hi, Mom! Hi,
Erby
Dad!
Quizon, and Aramina. Grabe. Let's hear from them. Okay, Michael, how was it working with these young actors and doing Love Is Never Gone?
Oh my, this is one of the experiences I've had that will really remain in my heart. Kasi I really enjoyed this set. It's my first time to work with Direk Manny, Direk Jojo. I've worked with Josh, but I've worked with Jane. But this is the first time na mas matagal yung pagsasama namin ni Josh at saka ni Jane. First time with Ivana. First time with Ara also, with Epi, we've done something before. And of course, the newcomers, like sila Jameson, si Fiang, at saka si JM. Unang-una, yung character ko, I really enjoyed playing him. He really grew on me na every time na may taping kami, sobrang excited ako, looking forward sa mga eksena. Because Divino is really a very, how should I put it? He's a colorful character. He's very complex. Ang dami-dami niyang pinagdaanan at ang dami-dami niyang pinagdadaanan. And of course, like I said kanina dun sa the making, he has his own little secrets. I'd like to congratulate Josh, Ivana for a wonderful job based on the first episode. I did not expect that it would come out this way. I worked with Josh in It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and then watching him here, masasabi ko talaga isa siyang ganap na artista kasi two different characters. Two completely different characters na talagang nagmarka. Yung difference from It's Okay to this. And then Ivana, what revelation. Hindi ko siya in-expect. And I also want to give a special mention to, I told her this na for a newcomer, she really has something to offer. And I believe that she will be one of our future best actresses, si Fiang.
Wow!
Magaling siya. She knows her job. She knows her character. Yun, magaling siya. In general, magaling siya. And she, like I said, she has the potential to be a really great actor.
Wow! Thank you, Kim Michael. We want to hear from Miss Dina Bonnevie. Welcome back to ABS-CBN after a long time.
This is my comeback to ABS, not my comeback. First, after a long time.
After a long time.
Dreamscape. So I'm also very happy that I was given this role. I've worked with Direk Jojo many times and Direk Manny Palo. Parang he took the place of one of the directors before sa Blood Sisters. Nung una medyo natakot ako, sabi ko, oh no, Manny Palo. But then, when he worked kasi with us sa Blood Sisters, sabi ko, magaling siyang director kasi he's very meticulous with the characters, with the script. Nakikialam siya, bakit ganito, ganyan, inaayos niya. So, anyway, long and short of it, I was very happy to have been offered the role. And I worked naman with Mike. Jameson is the first time. Jane also first time. But I really wanted to work with Joshua kasi nung napanood ko siya sa movie na he had a movie with Julian. Sabi ko, ang galing ng batang to. Gusto kong makatrabaho. And then, I saw him pa again sa yung movie niya with Maricel. yung meet greet. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng area nilang dalawa, yung mahabang-mahaba niyang area. Sabi ko, palakpak talaga, ang galing ng batang to. Ivana, I wanted to meet her for the longest time kasi nagva-vlog din kaming family, di ba? So, sabi ko, gusto ko ma-meet yung vlogger na yan. But I didn't expect her to be really warm. Akala ko mataray siya, pero she's so super bait, she's so loving, very generous. And then JM and Fiang first time, but naku, Fiang is like my baby girl. Lahat naman ng nagagawa kong series, pag anak ko, nagiging anak-anakan ko talaga. And I would say, just like Michael said, Fiang has a lot to offer. I mean, she has a lot to promise her audience. She is a multifaceted performer. Talagang, kahit na magulo yan before the scene, kahit na magulo yan. Pero pag alam niyang iiyak siya, tinitingnan ko makaka-deliver ba to? Yung eksena namin na talagang confrontation, sasampalin ko. Takot na takot siya kung sasampalin ko siya. Sabi ko, hindi kita sasampalin. Hindi ako nananampal. Hindi, pwede lang kahit slight. Hindi nga kita sasampalin. Sabi ko, sabayin mo lang. But I was amazed that she was able to deliver. So sa mind ko, magaling tong bulilit na to. Si Ronnie, hindi ko siya si JM, hindi ko naka-eksena. Si Epi, first time in the same project, but I'm sad that we never had a scene together, except for one in the hospital. One lang sa hospital, wala pang masyadong dialogue. Ayun. And then si Ara naman, first time to work together, at least nagkaroon kami ng sagupaan ditong confrontation, being the kabet! Ay, ako ng kabet! So yun, and si Ivana also is a revelation kasi akala ko si Ivana, vlog lang yan, but then, si Ivana kasi knows how to use her eyes, na talagang makes her eyes the windows of her soul. So alam niyang gamitin ang mga mata niya. Lalo na si Joshua naman, talagang maaantig ka sa acting niya eh. Minsan kahit na walang dialogue, presence niya lang, yung mata niya lang, sabi ko, hanip ang batang to. So I'm very proud. And Jameson is my first time to work with him. I'm so happy naman to be his mama. So he's also discovering his skills, but I'm really proud na talagang he's diligent enough to really study his scenes, to know his scenes. Minsan naaawa ko sa kanya kasi lagi siyang galit sa eksena. I mean, yung character niya kasi ganun. But yung weakness kasi ng character ko, Katarina has also many facets. I love playing the role. I actually played with the role. Minsan meron siyang kumbaga mayabang siya pag alahera, ganyan-ganyan, mataas, alta, which is type na type ko yung mga roles na yan, alta. Ayoko ng poor. And then, mahirap kasi mainit pag doon ng shooting, ayoko. Pero pagdating nga kay Divino, naiinis ako sa mga pambababae niya. But yet, I'm not so kawawa naman to run after him. Parang, sabi ko nga parang a man who's easily taken is public property and it's not my business to run after something that's publicly owned. I know me. Diba? Parang you know yourself. Nakakatuwa. Basta one thing that I really liked about working in this set, para kaming family. Pag nasa room kami nila, Jane, si Fiang, ang gulo-gulo namin. Tawanan lang kami ng tawanan. For the first time, I felt like I wasn't 64. I felt like I was in my 30s or 20s kasi giggling talaga kami, all the mga kilig things ng mga mako. If the walls only had ears. At saka ang sarap sa set na to kasi madalas magpakain ng mga direktor.
Yun naman pala. That's a secret.
Ang dalas magpakain, ang sarap naman magluto ni Direk Jojo.
Ay, grabe.
So, bonggang-bongga na nakasama ko sa project na to. At sana may next.
Yun.
Para makakain uli ako.
Thank you, Miss Dina. Grabe. Floating on cloud 9 si Fiang, si Ivana, saka si Joshua sa mga sinabi ni Miss Dina. Ara, ikaw naman. How does it feel to be part of Love Is Never Gone?
I never expected na magiging part ako ng show kasi ako yung pinaka-late na pumasok sa...
Last edition.
na pumasok na dito sa cast. And hindi naman po ako nagdalawang isip na tanggapin yung Kasi like what Miss D told earlier na nung pinanood niyo si Joshua na magaling si Joshua, sabi ko napanood ko na rin siya. Sabi ko magaling tong batang to. So nung inoffer na magiging mom ako ni Joshua, okay. So parang hindi ako nagdalawang isip. I don't think na mahirapan akong maging katrabaho siya, which is hindi talaga. Hindi ako nagkamali sa pagtanggap. And I've worked with Miss D long time ago. Sobrang tagal na, and happy ako naka-work ko siya. And of course, si Kuya Mike with Provinciano, pero hindi kami magka-eksena doon sa Provinciano. And this is my actually comeback after 4 years sa serye. So, sa Dreamscape. And thankful ako sa Dreamscape for getting me here dito sa Rita Crisanto role. And si Jameson, I've worked with him before. And si Jane din also, araw-gabi before, tagal na rin. And iba na, long time din na, tagal na yun.
So marami ka nang naka-work in this
Araw-gabi din,
cast.
araw-gabi
Oh,
din.
wow.
And first time with JM and Fiang, nag-enjoy ako katrabaho sila. And nung una, feeling ko suplada si Fiang.
Ay!
Sabi ko, hindi ako pinap... Hindi, nahiya lang pala siya. Nahiya lang pala siya, pero totoo yung sinabi ni Miss D na ano siya, parang bata pa, pero pag nag-deliver nga ng pag nasa eksena na, she can deliver talaga.
Wow.
Yun nga, hindi siya nahihirapan umiyak, kaya niya. Lalo na yung eksena natin, basta may eksena tayong grabe pa ulit-ulit, hindi ka naubusan ng luha. ng emotion. Paulit-ulit yun, nakakapagod. As in, maraming times. Pero, it's the fault of nature or not the fault of everyone. And JM, napaka-humble na bata. Keep it up. Yeah. Parang napaka-grounded niya. And of course, Epi, ngayon lang kami nagkatrabaho ng mas matagal. Like before. And Direk Manny and Direk Jojo, I love working with them. Sobrang, kahit marami na ako nakasamang directors, marami pa rin ako natututunan with them. And syempre kahit matagal ka na sa industry, you never stop learning. Kailangan may natututunan ka din sa mga newcomer. May natututunan ka din sa kanila. And si Joshua, wala akong masabi, napaka-humble, grounded. Huwag kang magbabago Kundi dadagukan kita.
Ayun na.
And yan, si Ivana, happy set lahat. Actually, lagi kaming busog. Kasi mahilig magpakain si Ivana, mahilig magpakain si Joshua, pati yung mga directors namin. Kaya I think I gained 5 pounds.
Ay, grabe. Iniisip ko tuloy, set ba to o restaurant? Na
Parang feeling ko restaurant.
Restaurant. Sabi nga nila pag maraming food, mas masaya lahat, di ba?
Yes, pag happy tummy, happy set.
Yon! Thank you, Ara. Maraming salamat.
Thank you again, Dreamscape. And thank you guys. Love you guys.
Epi, ikaw naman. How was it?
Tita. Actually, I have not worked with everyone except
Fresh to lahat.
Except for Kuya Mike. I think James and I had the film. And have not worked. First time to work with everyone.
Wow.
So actually, when I heard it was a Joshua Garcia film. Actually, nasa it's okay not to be okay. Pero I had one scene and hindi kami magkasama. So when I heard it was a Joshua Garcia film, sabi ko, okay, I want to work with him. Tapos, of course, on set, first day pa lang, gaang na agad yung set namin I was working with Joshua, Ronnie, and Hart. So sa set pa lang, tinginan pa lang namin, okay. Kumakapa pa rin ako. So eventually, it became, ang dali makuha ng relationships. Ang dali namin nakuha yung relationships because we were just openly discussing our roles. Kung saan kami nagkamali. We openly admit it and we laugh at it. But we make sure that we get it right. Diba? So, and of course with our directors, with the two directors, they make sure we get it right. Kasi kung hindi magagalit si MP. Direct MP. And of course, course with the young actor, puro revelation, especially Ivana. I was watching you. Kasi yung scenes namin ni Ivana towards the end na mas action na eh. But I was watching you and Josh kanina, di ba gumagano ako sa inyo? It's not, hindi doon sa kissing scene ha. Hindi sa love scene ha. Doon sa scene na nasa cemetery sila. And I think it was not overacting. It was just right, exacto for that scene. Yung kumbaga
Tamang timpla.
Tamang timpla yung kaya ako gumaganon. Because sometimes when I watch lalo na pag mga serye, ang taas mas minsan nung, di ba, pag-arte. Ito, tama-tama yung timpla. And I think Josh with the nuances for his character as Teo, nakikita natin yun. Diba? And then of course, yung mga sila Jane, sila Fiang, sila JM, makikita mo yung yung promise na alam mo na yung next generation ng mga artista natin. It's just really a good ensemble. So,
Alright.
thank you for the opportunity, Prime Video and Dreamscape.
Alright. Thank you, Epi. Okay, our next question is from Glitz PH for Jameson. You portrayed the husband of Ivana's character. So far, how would you describe your dynamics with her? And do you also have intimate scenes together?
Intimate scenes, I think you've probably seen it sa teaser.
Paldo.
It's It's very different this time kasi the first time we worked together, we were playing as somehow siblings. Something like that. Friends, siblings. Pero this time, we're playing as lovers. So, ayun, it was a challenge din kasi we look at each other as friends pero pagdating sa lovers, it was a bit of a challenge nung una. So we had to break the ice while we shot Love Is Never Gone. But
So how did you break the ice?
with the help ni Direk Manny, he helped us break the ice with the scenes. There were not easy scenes, I would say, pero ayun, there were good scenes overall, and I think it was needed for us to break the ice.
Right. Not to spoil muna. Kasi malamang upcoming pa yung mga scenes na yan direct, di ba? Okay. Nako, Ivana, ang next question is for you from Glitz PH. Rate Joshua Garcia's kiss from 1 to 10.
10.
Ay, di pa tapos yung question.
Sorry.
Paldo. Ulit, gusto mo tapusin kayo?
Sige,
Okay.
go ahead.
Rate Joshua Garcia's kiss from 1 to 10.
10. Ayan, nag-isip pa.
Care to explain?
Hindi, kasi nakita nyo, di ba? Siya yung talagang grabe. Talagang ganun lang ako. Tapos siya, ang laki ng bibig niya. Bakit? Tatawa ka. Totoo naman eh. Tapos sabi ko, huy, grabe ka na sumipsip yung bibig mo. Yung lipstick ko, nawawala. Tapos, ayun, okay naman. Magaling siya.
Did you ask for tips from anybody from the set?
Direct Manny. Si Direct Manny po kasi ang nag-direct nun.
Okay.
Grabe. Dinirect niya pati kung paano yung paghalik. Ganyan, nakikinig kami.
You really need that. It's
Yes.
choreography, di ba? Siguro it's fair lang that we ask Joshua also. Rate Ivana's kiss from 1 to 10.
9. May room for improvement.
Ay! Oh, sige. So next, di ba direct may isa pa?
Medyo gagged kami dun sa 9, ha?
Okay. Kasi hindi ko nabuksan yung bibig ko ng ganun eh. Nagets ko naman.
Okay. Okay. Mula kay Jay of Certified Kapamilya for JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is never gone because... JM and Fiang, complete the sentence. My love is
My
never
love
gone
is
because...
never gone because of you.
Fiang, ikaw naman.
Kaya,
Love is never gone because of... You! Oh. Of us!
Of
yes.
us. So when you say us, meaning...
Ha?
the whole cast.
Whole cast, oo. Kasi love na love namin yung whole cast.
Okay, sige na nga, Fiang. For Joshua and Ivana, the teleserye is titled Love is Never Gone. Pero sa iyo ba, ano ang isang bagay or ano-ano ang mga bagay na pwedeng magpasuko sa iyo para maging gone ang love mo sa isang tao?
Anong isusubok?
No.
Suko!
Suko.
Ano suko?
Sorry, wala ako narinig.
Grabe!
Kaya sabi ko, ano yung tanong? Sorry pa, ulit yan ang tanong.
Okay, the teleserye is entitled Love is Never Gone. Pero sa iyo ba, ano ang isang bagay or ano-ano ang mga bagay na pwedeng magpasuko sa iyo para maging gone ang love mo sa isang tao? Ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng maging deal breaker?
Ako para sa akin, ang cheating, lying, and ang hindi pagmamahal sa pamilya.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pasok naman yun kasi sabi ko ano-anong mga bagay. So tatlong na rundown ni Ivana.
I really wanted to work with Joshua and I wanted to work with Ivana. I said nga I wanted to meet her. But maganda kasi yung storya eh. Tsaka maganda yung character ni Katarina. Like I said, she's a multifaceted character. Weak siya pagdating sa anak niyang si Ace na talagang minamamas boy niya na kasi mahal na mahal niya. Doting mother naman siya kay Fiang. Tapang-tapangan siya kunyari kay Divino, but deep inside niinis siya. Pero ganun pa rin yung parang statement ni Katarina is, public property ka. It's not my business to run after public property. I know myself. Parang ganun. Minsan kasi nakakapagod minsan kapag teleserye, pag paulit-ulit yung story. Like sabi ko nga, kadalasan sa mga TV series natin na napapanood, palagay yung issue, nawalan ng anak, na-inlove sila, yung pala magkapatid sila. But it's always may isyong nawalan ng anak, nagkapalit yung anak, nawawala yung nanay. Parang napaka-common, parang wala namang ibang kwento. But with this kasi, yung Love is Never Gone, I love it, di ba? Sinabi ko nga dun sa In the Making, this is more Hollywood than Filipino. Kasi there's a lot of action in it. And it's so timely kasi here we deal on the issues of human trafficking, merong smuggling, merong parang medyo diskaya yata ang role ko eh.
Shh daw, sabi ni Direk Manny, shh.
Hindi, parang kasi alahera siya. And then, basta parang smuggling ang ginagawa niya. But it's so timely yung mga issues dito. So sabi ko, ito ang dapat napapanood. May action, may sex, may love, may romance, may family. Parang every person can relate. Hindi kayong, hindi naman nawawala yung anak ko, hindi ako makarelate. Ito, makaka-relate ka. Lahat ng character, merong isang taong makakapulot ng hugot doon na, ako yan.
Tama.
Ako yan. Ayan, tsaka sa mga lalaking babae. Kami makaka-relate dyan. Yun.
Alright, thank you, Miss D. Next, nakilala ngayon si Ivana Alawi after niya mag-shoot sa Morocco.
Sobra.
Sobrang ano?
Sobrang kilala na.
Spill the beans.
Sobra, I mean, sobrang comfortable na ako sa kanya. Sobrang comfortable na, like, ang bilis na namin makagawa ng mga scenes together. I mean, like, nung nag-umpisa kasi kami, kailangan pa ng mahabang discussions bago magsimula kasi syempre, naninibago pa kami sa isa't isa. Pero ngayon, sobrang ano lang, like, we're friends, right? No?
Meron ba kayong mga icebreaker sessions, intimacy workshops?
Hindi kami nagkaroon ng workshop together. Diretso kami sala. Pero pagdating namin sa Morocco, may mga times na pag hindi kami kinukunan, nagbabond kami.
Okay.
Tapos may one time na lumabas kami mga casts sa Morocco. Yun, masaya yung mga ganong bonding kasi at least doon nakikilala namin yung isa't isa.
Right.
At least, kasi iba rin kasi pag may bond yung mga characters eh. Makikita mo siya sa mismong screen eh. Kita mo yung ilangan, di ba, kung hindi sila comfortable sa isa't isa and then, yun.
I don't wanna put you on the spot, pero sa dami ng mga nalaman mo kay Ivana, give us one thing na you've discovered kay Ivana na hindi pa namin alam. And same with Ivana, to Joshua. Grabe. Inirapan agad. Okay.
Ganyan
Josh.
siya, ganyan siya. Pero ano yan, mahal namin yan. Kahit ganyan yan.
Oh, magbigay ka na.
Kasi parang...
Interesting characteristic na na-discover mo sa kanya.
Actually ako, kay Joshua, ang nakita mo. He's more than just an actor. Kasi alam naman natin, mahusay na actor si Joshua. But behind that, behind his yung pagpo-portray niya ng mga character, napakabait niyang tao. Very, very generous siya. And very matulungin. And he's fair with everyone. Everyone talaga. He treats everyone with respect, which is very nice.
I have a question. Paano mo natatagalan pag tumititig sa'yo si Joshua?
Hindi nga ako tumitingin.
Iniisip ko kasi kung ano ba hindi pa alam ng tao kay Ivana.
Or maybe something we
Kasi-
know na nalaman mo.
Oh, alam naman natin kung gaano kabait si Ivana. Dami yung tinutulungan mo tayo. Sobrang generous ng tao. And hindi lang yun dahil sa nakikita natin yun sa YouTube. Ganun din siya kasi sa totoong buhay.
Okay.
So parang iniisip ko, ano ba yung hindi alam ng tao? Kasi pagdating niya sa set, yun siya, yung like, smiling siya sa lahat, binabati niya.
Pero kanina
lahat.
tinatarayan-tarayan ka niya. So parang sabi mo, ganun
Hindi,
siya.
ganun lang talaga yan. Oh.
Okay.
May irap-irap lang yan, pero mahal kami yan.
Pero Ivana, lambing mo yun? Kay...
Yes, yes. Oo, ganun ako eh. Masungit talaga yung yung ano, minsan
Same, konting... Oo, yan, di ba?
ganun lang.
Ano lang yun?
Wala yun.
Correct. Lambing lang ni
Yes.
Ivana yan. No? But it really appears no, sa chemistry, body language nyo, parang medyo...
Tsaka never kami nag-away, wala. Ever.
Mabilis siyang umiyak.
Uy!
Mabilis siyang umiyak sa mga eksena. Yun yung minsan nagugulat ako. Yung parang nagre-ready pa lang ako, tapos kita ko siya, hala, umiyak na siya. So parang ako, natitense na ako siya.
Bobby, ikaw pa talaga na-pressure ha. Ako na-pressure sa kanya. Grabe, yung mata pa lang niya, yung gumagano na yung mata niya. Parang wow.
Kasi mabilis siyang umiyak. And then parang natutuwa ako kasi every time na gumagawa kami ng scene, parang nasa same page lang kami palagi. Parang parehas kami nang nakikita sa eksena. So, yeah.
Galing! Thank you so much for... Sobrang ano?
Sobrang kilala na.
Spill the beans.
I mean, sobrang comfortable na ako sa kanya. Sobrang comfortable na, like, ang bilis na namin makagawa ng mga scenes together. I mean, like, nung nag-umpisa. Prime Video. Tama.
Huwag ka ba natin-tense? Katabi mo lang si Ivana
ngayong
eh.
May 8 na yan.
That's right!
Diba? May 8 na yan. So sana po tulungan niyo kami na ipakalap yung balita. Ayun po, maraming salamat
Yes,
po.
maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon at sa panonood. Thank you and please let us watch and support and love our new series. Magugustuhan nyo talaga kasi yung episode 1, wala pa yan. Sobrang ganda ng mga susunod pa. Kaya abangan ang Love is Never Gone on Prime on May 8.
Thank you very much! Palakpakan natin the cast of Love is Never Gone. Again, don't forget, this will be exclusive on Prime Video. So if you still don't have the Prime Video app, i-download nyo na po now. Ako po si MJ Felipe, your host for tonight. Some love stories may change, but the ones that truly matter never fade. Oh, di ba? Good night, everybody. Maraming salamat po.